How do I stop my marble from getting dirty so quickly again? Practical tips. Why does your marble get dirty so quickly, even when you clean it every day? Most homeowners blame spills, but the real culprit hides in the stone itself. Marble is porous, meaning it soaks up moisture, stains, and even hard water minerals. And here's the twist. The wrong cleaning product can actually make it worse. So what's the secret to keeping marble spotless without constant scrubbing? It isn't complicated, but it's something most people never do. Protective sealing, the right pH-neutral cleaner, and just one small habit shift can stop stains before they even start. The surprising part? Once you know this method, marble care takes minutes, not hours. Want to see how to keep your marble looking brand new for years? Check out londonstone.co.uk. That's the answer you'll want before your next coffee spill.